You ever crank up a song in your car feeling that bass rattle your bones? It's like the music is alive, pulsating through every fiber of your being. That sensation, that pure, unadulterated joy, is the magic of a good sound system. It's not just about hearing the music, it's about feeling it, experiencing it in a way that transcends the ordinary. That, my friends, is the magic of a good sound system. Whether you're jamming out to your favorite tunes, watching an epic movie, or getting lost in the immersive world of gaming, a powerful audio setup can transport you right into the heart of the action. It's like having a front row seat to every beat, every explosion, every whisper. Whether it's music, movies, or gaming, powerful audio can transport you right into the action. Imagine watching a movie and feeling the rumble of a spaceship taking off, or playing a game and hearing every footstep, every rustle of leaves. It's an experience that goes beyond mere sound. It's about creating a world you can step into. But here's the thing. Most speakers are like those skinny jeans you tried squeezing into. They just can't handle the low-end rumble. They might look good, but when it comes to delivering that deep, resonant bass, they fall short. It's frustrating, right? You want to feel the music, not just hear it. And that's where the subwoofer comes in. That's where our hero of the day steps in, the subwoofer. This powerhouse of a speaker is designed to handle those low frequencies that regular speakers just can't manage. It's like adding a turbocharger to your car. Suddenly everything is more powerful, more intense, more alive. The subwoofer brings the thunder, the rumble, the soul of the sound. But not all subwoofers are created equal. Just like work boots, you got your heavy-duty models and your more compact, stylish ones. Some are built for raw power, while others are designed to blend seamlessly into your living room. It's all about finding the right fit for your needs and your space. Just like work boots, you got your heavy-duty models and your more compact, stylish ones. The heavy-duty subwoofers are like the workhorses of the audio world, delivering powerful, earth-shaking bass. The slim subwoofers, on the other hand, are like the sleek, stylish sneakers. They might not pack the same punch, but they look good and get the job done. Today we're comparing two popular contenders, slim subwoofers and their beefier cousins, the normal subwoofers. We'll look at their strengths, their weaknesses, and what makes each one unique. Whether you're looking for something that can shake the walls or something that fits neatly into your modern decor, we've got you covered. We'll break down the details of each, so you can decide which one deserves a spot in your audio arsenal. From the deep, resonant thump of a heavy-duty subwoofer to the sleek, stylish punch of a slim model, we'll explore every detail. Before we throw down in the slim versus normal subwoofer battle royale, let's make sure we're all on the same page about what subwoofers actually do. Subwoofers are like the bass players of the audio world. They focus on those deep, resonant frequencies that regular speakers struggle to hit. You know, the ones that make your chest thump and your insides vibrate when that beat drops. Think of it this way, regular speakers are like the nimble guitarists, handling the higher notes with precision. They take care of the melodies, the vocals, and the intricate details that make a song beautiful. But subwoofers, they're the heavy artillery bringing the thunder and making sure you feel every explosion and bass line in your soul. They add that extra layer of depth and power to your audio experience. Imagine watching an action movie without a subwoofer. Sure, you'd still hear the dialogue and the sound effects, but those earth-shattering explosions and rumbling car chases would lack that visceral impact. It's the subwoofer that makes you feel like you're right in the middle of the action, or think about listening to your favorite music. Without a subwoofer, the bass line that drives the rhythm and gives the song its groove would be weak and underwhelming. The subwoofer ensures that every beat is felt, not just heard. So in essence, subwoofers are essential for a full, immersive audio experience. They're the unsung heroes that bring the lower frequencies to life, making sure you don't just hear the sound, but feel it in your bones. Without a subwoofer, your audio experience is like a delicious cake, missing the frosting tasty, but something's definitely missing. It's that final touch that transforms good audio into something truly spectacular. Alright, let's meet our contenders. In the world of subwoofers, size and design play crucial roles in performance and aesthetics. In the red corner, we've got the heavyweight champ, the normal subwoofer. These are the traditional giants of the audio world. These subwoofers are the workhorses of the audio world, known for their large cabinets and powerful drivers. They are designed to move a lot of air, producing those deep, rumbling bass notes that shake the room. Think of them as the dump truck of the subwoofer world, built for power and capacity. They can handle a lot of volume and deliver a punch that you can feel in your chest. In the blue corner, we have the challenger, the slim subwoofer. These are the new kids on the block, designed to fit into spaces where a normal subwoofer just wouldn't work. These sleek and stylish contenders are all about saving space without sacrificing too much power. They are perfect for modern living spaces where aesthetics and functionality go hand in hand. Think of them as the sports car of the subwoofer world, compact and designed for agility. They may not have the same raw power as their larger counterparts, but they make up for it with precision and style. They're like that perfectly organized toolbox, everything you need in a smaller footprint. They can be tucked away under furniture or mounted on walls, making them incredibly versatile. But don't let the size fool you. Both slim and normal subwoofers pack a punch when it comes to delivering those satisfying low-end frequencies. Whether you're watching a movie or listening to music, both types can enhance your audio experience. The main difference lies in their design and the trade-offs that come with it. Normal subwoofers offer more power and depth, while slim subwoofers provide flexibility and style. The choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and the space you have available. Now for the moment of truth, how do these subwoofers actually sound? Well, like a well-worn pair of work gloves, normal subwoofers generally offer more power and depth. Their larger cabinets and drivers allow them to move more air, resulting in a richer, more powerful bass response. Slim subwoofers, on the other hand, can't quite match the raw power of their larger counterparts. However, don't count them out just yet. They still deliver a surprisingly punchy and defined bass, especially for their size. Think of it this way, you wouldn't use a sledgehammer to hang a picture, right? Slim subwoofers are perfect for tighter spaces and setups where you don't need to rattle the windows. When it comes to subwoofer real estate, the difference between slim and normal is like comparing a studio apartment to a mansion. Normal subwoofers with their bulky cabinets demand a significant chunk of space. They're like that friend who takes up the whole couch. You love them, but they can be a bit much sometimes. Slim subwoofers, on the other hand, are the kings of discreetness. They can be easily tucked away under a car seat, making them ideal for smaller cabins. They're like that multi-tool in your back pocket, always there when you need them, without taking up too much space. Generally speaking, slim subwoofers tend to be a bit pricier than their normal counterparts with similar specs. It's like paying a premium for a compact car with all the bells and whistles. You're paying for the convenience and space-saving design. Normal subwoofers, on the other hand, offer more bang for your buck in terms of raw power and performance. Think of it like buying in bulk. You get more for your money, even if it means sacrificing some space. So, which subwoofer reigns supreme? Well, like choosing the right tool for the job, it all boils down to your individual needs and preferences. If you're a bass enthusiast with sufficient trunk space and a healthy budget, a normal subwoofer will deliver that earth-shattering performance. However, if you're working with limited space or prefer a more discreet setup without compromising too much on sound quality, a slim subwoofer is an excellent choice. Ultimately, the best subwoofer for you is the one that seamlessly integrates into your lifestyle and enhances your car audio experience without breaking the bank. So there you have it, the lowdown on slim versus normal subwoofers. Now I want to hear from you. What are your experiences with these audio powerhouses? Do you prefer the thunderous rumble of a normal subwoofer, or the space-saving elegance of a slim model? Head down to the comments section and let's get this conversation pumping. And don't forget to subscribe for more car audio tips and reviews.